Elementary School for Rising India, PM3. A huge rival tap connection under Jal Jeevan Mission program. Here we have the Department of PHE, Local Resources. Our motto is Vocal for Local and our pledge is Atmanirbhar Bharat through self-employment. Dhanyavad. We have next in front of you is Bodoland Sericulture Mission, the Department of Sericulture. The Department of Sericulture BPC through an ambitious convergence project, Bodoland Sericulture Mission is trying to improve the socio-economic conditions. District Health Society. And farmers for fisheries activities. Here we present the Department of Fisheries Kokrajhar Team Fish Kiosk. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, in front of you is ASRLM, Assam State Livelihood Rural Mission. On Republic Day 2024 Parade, a tableau is prepared by District Mission Management Unit, Assam State Rural Livelihood Mission, Kokrajhar under Panchayat and Rural Development Department, Government of Assam, which will showcase various aspects of women's empowerment. The main display of the tableau is about the various activities carried under Assam State Rural Livelihood Mission. Transport Department, তেওঁলোকৰ সাজু হৈ ৰোড সেফটিৰ ওপৰত প্ৰস্তুত কৰা বাবে ৰোড সেফটিৰ ওপৰত বাটৰ নাম প্ৰস্তুত কৰিব ট্ৰান্সপৰ্ট ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্টৰ ফালৰ পৰা। We have SIJD Suraj Nakir of 129 Battalion, CRPF Kokrajhar. We have SI Deepak Kumar Chauhan of Kokrajhar DEF Men Staff. Urdu akai khobnare bithamon koborai garijone সকলো হাত চাপৰি দি তেওঁলোকৰ কাৰণে। We have WSI Chandramika Niyok of Kokrajhar DEF Women Staff. A huge round of applause, please. We have PC Ananta Mohan Adhikari of Home Guard Kokrajhar, Platoon Commander number 5. We have a group led by Sri Vikas Rai of Kokrajhar Government College, NCC. We have Sri Abhijit Das of Kokrajhar Government Teachers and MP School, NCC. We have Sri Prakash Chandranath of Civil Defence Parade Team, Kokrajhar. A team led by Habildar Patik Das of Band Party of 7th FEBN, Chorai Khula. A huge round of applause, please. Here we have Habildar Patik Das of Band Party of 7th FEBN, Chorai Khula. We have a team led by Sri Sanjeev Chauhan of Kokrajhar Development High School. We have a team led by Sri Bindu Roy of BCCM Bodoland English Medium School Boys. We have a team led by Ms. Isha Brahma of BCCM Bodoland English Medium School Girls. We have a team led by Ms. Mahi Nazari of Auxilium English Medium School. We have a team led by Sri Deep Karmakar of GN Himmat Sangha High School, Kokrajhar.